This morning, TPAS England launched a very important document, I think, for tenant participation. It's their tenant engagement standards, and they presented it and talked through what that really means. And there are 6 fundamental points in that, in their standards. I'm not going to go through it all now, but what I'd recommend is you go to TPAS England's site, and it's available to all, and download those standards. And take some time to read them, to digest them and think about how they could apply to the work that we all do within tenant participation in Wales. It's no good just reading them. I think Jenny from TPAS England talked about it being like a great novel. You need to come back to it, you need to discuss it and interpret it and adapt to your needs and to your community. It's meant to be a guide, it's not meant to be an anchor, it's meant to steer you towards where you want to be. So go to TPAS England and find the tenant engagement standards